held my breath, thinking of these ancient skills, of the extreme precision, the attention given to the minutest detail. Their approach hadn't changed in 250 years. That acute sense of innovation, which drove them forward into modern times, had been kept intact. I was delighted to recognize the same spirit in the watches that had recently been created. The same inspiration, the same will were still there. I was lucky at the manufacture. I saw the finishing stages in the making of the Toledo. I have never believed in coincidence. As I returned to the shop, I knew I had to make a quick decision. I had just been offered an exchange. If I agreed, I could leave with the Toledo I had just seen being crafted at the manufacture. I was moved. My father's watch now deserved to become part of the house's fine collection. I had made my decision. Could my father ever have imagined that his watch would one day be part of the Vacheron Constantin heritage collection?